Overview of Insight functionality. Welcome to the Wales & West Utilities new business intelligence tool, Insight. Insight is based on the software Qlik and consists of different dashboards, all of which are made available in the so-called access point. In this training video, you will learn how to locate and open the dashboards and to navigate within them. We'll use the customer satisfaction dashboard to demonstrate the basic functionality. You always start in the access point, which can be accessed from the WWU intranet, a web browser, or via an app on your tablet. Now let's open the customer satisfaction dashboard and go to the Home tab. Here you'll find information about the dashboard and what the key features are. You will also find useful information on how to use them. Let's go back to the Dashboard tab. To navigate through the different sections of the dashboard, you simply use the tabs at the top of the page. The main tabs are Home, Dashboard, Survey, Complaints, Guaranteed Standards, and Platinum Service Scheme. There is some functionality that is common to all tabs. One important feature is the I button, which will give you an explanation of all the charts on the current tab. Let's try it on the Dashboard tab. By clicking on it again, the explanations will disappear. Page filtering is also always available. These so-called filters are located in the header and include data such as PM, FLM, month and year. These filters allow you to narrow down the amount of information shown in the charts, and when a filter is selected, it will affect what is shown on all the tabs where it's applicable. When a filter has been selected, a green dot is displayed on the tab where that filter can be used. The filters use a specific color coding that you should become familiar with. When an item in a filter is selected, it turns green. All associated values turn white, and non-associated data values turn grey. On all pages, you will also find the curved arrows. By clicking on the arrows or the title next to them, you can drill down to the page with the next level of information. Let's try doing a page drill down on Customer Satisfaction Survey, where right now we can see the overall scores for WWU out of 10. And now we see the average survey score for each question, together with more detailed charts. Below the filters are the so-called page toggles. The selected page is shown in orange, and at the moment this page is Emergency and Repair. However, with a simple click, it can be switched to the page Connections or Planned. And we can just as easily go back to the Emergency and Repair page again. Let us now try to drill down to another level. If we notice customers are giving us low scores on the time we take to respond to a gas escape, we can then find out how long we take to reach their property. Remember, we started on the top level, drilled down here to the second level, and by clicking on the Emergency Response Times title, we can now drill down to the third level. Here we see the information on response times for individual PMs. And by clicking on a PM, we can drill down even further. And see the response times for the FLMs. When you use the page Drill Down, another page is opened. But when you drill down using a filter, like we just did now, you remain on the same page and only the information switches to a more detailed level. As you can see, selecting a PM by clicking the name is an easy way of filtering. If you find yourself with filter selections that are not what you want, there are a couple of ways of solving the problem. If you only want to undo your latest data selection, then simply click the Back button up on the left. The filter PM is now no longer selected. If you have made several data selections and want to start over again without any selections at all, then you use the Clear button. This will clear all your current filters. If, on the other hand, you have made selections that you would like to save or share with someone else, then you can save your current selections as a bookmark. Let's click on the Forward button, which has exactly the opposite function of the Back button. And we have the original PM selected again. Click on Star, which will add a bookmark. And save a new bookmark called PM Richard Jones. Let us clear our selections and then try the bookmark we have just created. All selections are cleared. We open the bookmark by opening the Bookmark menu and selecting the bookmark PM Richard Jones. Now the selections we saved in the bookmark will appear again. If you select this bookmark when you're on a different page of the dashboard, it will filter that page for you. So in this case, it would show the data on that page for Richard Jones. However, if you always want the bookmark to take you to the exact page where you created it, you need to tick the box Include Layout State. The last thing we want to do in this video is to show you how to go back to the page where you started the drill down. Simply click on the arrow on the top left-hand side of the page. Each click takes you back one level. And there, we're back where we started on the Dashboard tab. Of course, you can also click directly on the tab you want to go to. In this video, you've learned the basic functionality of our business intelligence tool, Insight. We recommend that you go to Access Point and try the dashboard yourself. Remember, you cannot delete anything no matter what you do, and there are always the Back and Clear buttons. And with that, we end this video.